Yung sa ginawa ko. May natirang tree. It's the official. Where everyone had one seats. Ito sa ginawa ko rin. But there's some extra keychains. Nag-uwi na ako ng this one is for the sound check. Nag-uwi rin ako ng mga confetti. I have this one. Lumikit yung writing a script for true, something for me, and chapter you. And then this one. This is so long. Oh no, there's more. Thank you so much. And CL Signal. Yay! My sister used to have this one. Pero sa akin mas maganda kasi Wendy version. This one, there's no username. Super like ko talaga yung mga clickers. Like, actually, I never had them. I've been wanting it, but I never had them. And these two are my two. Ang ganda! Yay! Woo! Ang ganda sobra. I saw before na may gumawa nung sa may keyboard thing. Yung isang piece lang. Na, I forgot. Ay, sa solo ata nun. Ang other members. But I wasn't able to buy. But now I had, I was able to receive it. Now I have one. And also have this one. Oh, it's holographic. Oh, baka sa case pala yun. This one is from Stansoniosh. Oh, it's a girl generation. Wendy new chapter. Gusto ko talaga yung ganitong type of acrylic. Like, hindi siya yung photo insert. And then, someone also gave me this one. Oh, ito yung album na gusto ko, Serenade Merge. What's this? Oh, it's gonna be unboxing. Ang effort, ah. Uy, ang galing naman. Ang effort. What's this inside? Ay, sorry, di pala nakita sa video. Oh, ang cute! Ah! Wait. Oh, this is like, Summer Magic Era. Ang cute! Ang cute naman. Bet ko siya. Ang cutie. At yung mga options niya. There's this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh, I like this the best. So, buti nga nakuha ko. And then, there's also... Wait. This one. Oh, there's no username. But I think sa Twitter din to. Oops, sorry. Nagagalaw ko yung camera. And then someone gave me this one. Like, it's so... I mean, like, super bait niya kasi... Like, magagamit ko siya. I mean, nung una, tawa ko. Pero, super useful niya, di ba? Like, after concert, di ba? And then, it's sealed. Grabe. Di ba mahal sa lumpas? Actually, parang never ata bumili sa lumpas. This is my first ever. And then, I have this one. This one, pinapili niya ako. There's also one more. And then, I chose this one. And look, it's official, oh. Di ba official yan? Ito yung parang ads niya. So, yeah. This is my first ever official na promotional, paano ba explain? There's a lot of official postcards kasi. For the promotional, I never bought for Wendy. Usually, ask for Red Velvet. This one is for yung Wendy lang talaga na ano. And, I'm gonna treasure this. And then, oh, ito yung confetti. Actually, nagdampot ako ng maraming confetti. Actually, sobrang dami sa harap nun. Oh, cutie. Wait lang. Sorry, nahuhulog yung stand ko. Wait. Stand. Stay there. Okay. See. This one is the parang sticker. Ang cute. Let's see. Oh, wow, it's so nice. Uy, pasadya ba to? Uy, ang ganda. Oh, I like it. Ang cutie. This purple, oh. Ang ganda. I like this one. Parang lahat na lang like yan. Actually, lahat naman kasi ng mga... Actually, lahat nitong mga to, yung iba, sa trade, yung iba, they just gave it to me, and then I gave one back, yung mga ganun. More of trade. Oh, this one is also nice. Kasi gusto ko yung, yung album na to, like Cerulean version. Actually, I actually have an album, pero di ko pa na-unbox, pero I didn't bulk buy, like yung how I used to be. I only bought from an event, one copy, one set lang, kumbaga. This one is, parang, I think you can scan this one, eh. Oh, it's nice. It's back to back. So, I got this one. And then, there's also, oh, this one is something that I brought. Dinala ko siya. Okay, di ko siya binili. Wait lang. And, oh, this one. Oh, do you know, okay, the story why I have two, kasi this one is from the one na nagbigay talaga. And then the other one, parang, yung isa, parang, yun yung pinang-trade niya. Binigay niya sa akin. Kapalit nung sa photo card. But actually, there were some na kumuha ng card na wala namang give back. It's okay, kasi hindi naman lahat kailangan may kapalit. And then this one is button pin. I think this one is, it's button pin. Oh no, wait. Oh, wait, let's open it. Actually, sa R2V na concert last year, there were like parang a lot of merch pa nga na I wasn't able to open. Like, hanggang ngayon sealed pa rin siya. This one, who gave me, it's Seungwon ni Cart. Thank you. Let's see. This one, oh yeah, it's button pin. The reason why I opened kasi parang kakaibo. Makapal siya. And then, what else do we have here? Wait, let me place it back. It's a fan con. Like, I have a lot na hindi ko pa na-open. Like, naka-sealed pa yung iba. Oh, and someone gave away this one. Walang blue, so I just took the purple. Baka naubos na siya. Ang galing. I think this one is fuzzy white. Tapos ginawa niyang, parang pin type. Ang galing. So creative. Walang username nga lang. And then this one. Oh, this one I had two. She wanted 2 pieces of the... I think dalawa to eh. Dalawa pinang-trade nun. Wait, mamaya. Somewhere there. Yeah, this one is actually a lot. There's a lot pa. We Alive. Wow, may shell pa lang. Ito na nakita. What else do we have here? Oh, we have here stickers. Falling to the Sun Kiss. Dun. Ayan, Sun Kiss. And then you also have this one. This one is just one for all. Pero when it was like parang going home na, there was like a box. They were like giving away. Like they were asking us to get. And I was planning to get one. Then sa harap ko kumuha siya dalawa. So dalawa rin kinuha ko. Teka, I'm gonna get. This one is dalawa. I think the other one is nasa bag ko. Yeah. And then this one. Oh, this one is like so kind of them. Kasi I wanted the cup sleeve. And then, wait. And then parang hindi pala pwede walk-ins. Oh, this one is a magnet. Hindi pala pwede walk-ins. But then, the admins like were kind. There were like 4 of them. They gave me each ng kanya-kanyang freebie. Oh, this one is like new. Ayoko na tanggalin. This one kasi, kaya siya ganyan. Kasi, ipipeel off mo pa siya. This one is from one Ramsey. And then, oh, this one is so nice. This one is like ampaw. Nakatuwa, oh. This one, Mark in Our Hearts Like Poetry. Oh, Chapter U. And then this one, fan support by... What's this? Sorry. One, Stanyoshide. Thank you for giving me this one. Let's open it. What's this inside? Oh, ang cute! Let me zoom it. Wow! Ang cute naman. Oh, there's like parang ID photos. Ang cute! Wait, let's see. Let's see all of the photos. Ay, iba-iba siya. Hehehe. Oh! Ang galing ng concept. Let's place it back. And safely. And then, oops, wait. There. And then, what else did I have? Ta-da! Cutie! This one is fan support by Winter Baby. This is drawn by Nicole Cruz. Yeah, thank you for this. Cutie! Chibi. Mga chibi-chibi. This one is stickers. Sorry. Wait na. What else do we have here? Oh, here, there's a lot more. Wait. This one, it's a grip top. We Alive. Fan support by JGXJS. Thank you for giving me this one. This one, cutie, ang cutie din nito. Wait lang. Let's try to open it. And then, this one. Ta-da! How does this work? Oh, pull it. Napupull siya, diba? Ayun. There. Ta-da! Thank you so much. Ang ganda. Cutie. Ang ganda kasi blue rin dito. Blue everything. Meron ako last time binili na customizable na parang ganitong grip top. Pero it's not blue yung ito. Ito kasi blue talaga lahat. And then, I also have this one. Ooh, it's keychain. Na may foodie. Oh, it's nice. Oh, I thought there's like parang name nung where kung sino nagbigay. But yeah, thank you for this one. And then, what else do I have here? Oh, this one. I actually got 2 of this. Alam mo, sobrang helpful nito. Kasi super sakit ng ulo ko. Like, to the point na, hindi kasi ako kumain whole day. To the point na, feeling ko ito, one of the nag-save sa akin, the chocolate. There's one more pa eh. Dalawa binigay niya eh. Wait na. I mean, wait. Ito. Yan. Pero magkaiba yung photo card niya. Tadun, and tadun. Then this one is actually set ng Pokemon cards sa loob. I'm gonna open it later because it's a blind box. Wait, oops. Sorry for my walang kwentang stand. Okay. And then there's also, what else do we have here? Wow, there's a lot more. So this one is nice kasi it's like, so this one is like parang keychain na i-scan mo siya. I mean, like, nai-scan siya. This one, thanks to Seashell-less. Ta-da! This is so nice. And then, this one is from, I can't see it. Bookmark. Oh, this one is bookmark na magnet. Oh, walang name. But I think I forgot the name basta nasa Twitter siya. I'll just comment it na lang. Pero this one is nice kasi it's bookmark. Back to back, oh. And then, there is this one. Oh, this is cutie. Chapter U. Sticker, oh. Cutie. And then, oh, ito yung kanina sinasabi ko, 2 piraso. This is the other one. And then there's also, oh my gosh, this is so funny. I literally pick up a lot of confetti. Because I badly wanted it. Pero sayang, actually, gusto ko bakit green. Kalang una blue. This one, today is Wendy. Fan support by Taeyeon's cart. Oh, this one is nice. I think this one is just a transparent. Super sakto siya for the official one. Ta-da! Frame. Oops. Today is Wendy. This one is Today is Wendy. Ito yung sa Instagram niya na diba, username. Ta-da! This is so nice. I can like parang use it sa memorabilia. Actually, everything is so nice. Kanya-kanyang concept, kanya-kanyang way to give gifts. This one, let's see. Actually, there's a lot more. Oh, there's actually almost no more. Itong button pins ako gumawa niyan. Nagdala kasi ako ng whiteboard. And then, oops! And then, this one. Oh, this one is nice. Key tag. Who gave it? It's Mastasables? Yeah, Mastasables. Ooh, it's chibi. So cutie. And then, what else do I have here? This one. Yeah, it's time to unboxing. Let's do unboxing. Let's see. Oopsie. Okay. Let's do unboxing. Bro, ayoko siya sirain. Oh! Oh, hindi siya nakaseal. Wow! Wow, ang galing! It's a set of cards. Wait, what's this? This one is Moshito Film. Oh, thank you, Moshito Film, for giving me this one. Yeah, if you're interested with their merch, it's this one. Ito yung contact number nila. This is their business card. Thank you for giving me all of these. Wow, ang dami. Wait, how many are these? Oh, there's 3. Wait, sa likod. Oh. Nakakatuwa naman. Wait lang. Let's try to open one. Paano ba ito? How do I open it? There. Ooh. Wendy Sean. Instead of Pokemon, it's Wendy Sean. Oh, this is so nice. Ang galing. Ang galing ng ano niya, oh. Ng layout niya. And let's see the others. Oopsie. I shouldn't just have removed it. Oh no, I can't put it back. Wait lang. There. Let's see the others. Hindi ko na natanggal. Wow. Best ever. Iba-iba. Okay, not the party. This one? Ooh. Di mga kinanta rin niya. Existential crisis. And the fireproof? Yeah. Anyways, yan na yan. And ito po yung ikukwento ko. Wait, where is it? This one. I was so sad kasi there's like white line. And I'm really super OC with it. Kasi parang nakakainis siya tignan. And then they were like, parang you can just cut. Pero kasi mahirap siya ikat kasi PVC. So I was planning na ipapalit siya. Oh, by the way, their lanyard is nice. Look, oh. Diba? And then this one, I was planning to papalit kasi nga may line. Pero sa kanila lahat is, ayan, sa likod is yung L-Pro, yung sa organizer na logo. But then look at mine. What's behind is kakaiba. Dun 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 dun. As in like what, this one lang yung nag-iisang ganun. The rest, lahat sa kanila is puro one side lang. Tapos sa likod is yung logo ng saka lang yung back to back. So yeah, this one is rare. So di ko na siya pinapalit. Yan. Anyways, that's it for this video. I just shared ko yung mga nakuha ko. And by the way, if you guys are interested, there's keychain and paper bags pa dito. It's all for free. Wait where is it? Wait. And also, nung sa huli, actually, nung bandang huli na, I was like parang going through the area. Actually, marami na nabawasan, pero yeah, may natira pa onte na lang. Anyways, so yeah. Tadaan. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.